Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
Who am I to you?
You are my best friend.
How can I do that?
You know how to do it.
Do you want to succeed in life?
You must work very hard for that.
Do you think I can do this?
You can handle this.
Can you help me?
Why not? I'd be glad to.
Who do you live with?
I live with my parents.
How was your day?
It was fantastic.
Wow, you look beautiful.
Thank you for the compliment.
What did you find?
I found out everything.
Why are you going?
It is an urgent meeting.
Why are you alone?
He didn't want to come with me.
Why are you lying?
I swear I'm not lying.
Where is my brother?
He is studying in study room.
Where are you?
I am at home right now.
Where is the car key?
I don't know. I think it is lost.
Where is the bag?
I kept on the table.
How is the work going?
It is going well.
Who lives in this house?
Nobody lives in this house.
When is your birthday?
It's the 4th of March.
When did you come home?
I came just now.
Who gave you this gift?
Someone special gave me.
Am I doing it right?
Yes, you are doing it well.
What do you like?
I like to play basketball.
Was it the right decision?
It was a good decision.
Is everything okay?
Everything is good.
How hot is it there?
It is unbearably hot.
Will you buy a new car next year?
No, I will wait a bit longer.
What time will your flight land tomorrow?
It will arrive at noon.
Will you try the new restaurant downtown?
Yes, I will check it out.
What will you wear to the job interview?
I will dress professionally.
When will you upgrade your phone?
I will upgrade next week.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What's your shoe size?
My shoe size is 10.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 English and Hindi languages.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Holi.
What's the tallest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest is the tallest.
Have you ever ridden a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
What's the best way to learn English?
Practice speaking to learn English every day.
Do you want to go?
Yes, I don't want to go.
Can I move out now?
Now wait for a few minutes.
Where did you eat?
We ate in a restaurant.
Do I know you?
I know you very well.
What are you doing?
I am dancing.
What will you do next?
That's what I'm thinking about.
When will you come?
I will come later.
Who did you go with?
I went with my friends.
Are you planning to go there?
I'm planning on going downtown.
Are you lying?
I never lie.
Do you believe that?
Yes, I do.
Are you going with me?
I can go with you.
Who was with you yesterday?
My father was with me.
Should I inform every day?
I've already done that.
Where is he at?
His brother's house.
What do you do?
I work at the company.
What do you eat?
I eat everything.
Where are they?
They are at the playground.
Where do you live?
I live in the downtown.
How do you travel?
I travel by train.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, I'm exhausted.
What time do you sleep?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m.
What does he do?
He is a teacher.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Do you like it?
I don't really like it.
Will he come?
I'm not sure if that he will come.
Is she your mother?
No, she is my auntie.
Can you dance?
No, I can't dance at all.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
How did this happen?
I don't know. I will ask.
Which one is it?
The big one.
Why not the small one?
I didn't like that.
Where does she go every day?
She goes to school every day.
Which is it?
It's the blue one.
Why don't you like this one?
I already have that one.
What does she eat?
She eats fruits.
Why are you alone?
I'm waiting for my friend.
Why is she here?
You can ask her.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea over coffee.
How's the weather today in your area?
The weather today is rainy.
What do you want to eat for lunch?
I'm thinking of having a sandwich for lunch.
Do you have any plans to meet friends or family today?
Yes, I'm meeting my family for dinner tonight.
Does anyone know where Jack is?
He's in the library.
Is she your classmate?
Yes, she's my classmate. Her name is Jenny.
Are you a sophomore?
No, I'm freshman.
Do you like apples or orange more?
I like apples more.
Can you show me how to tie a tie?
Of course, let me demonstrate.
Are you planning to move to a new city?
Yes, I'm thinking about it.
What do you think of my new haircut?
It looks great on you.
Who is that?
That is her.
Why are you going?
I have to go.
Why didn't you tell me?
You are not a responsible person.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to school tomorrow.
When will you visit your friend?
I will visit my friend on Sunday.
What will she cook for dinner?
She will cook pasta for dinner.
Where will they go on vacation?
They will go to the beach for vacation.
When will he finish his homework?
He will finish his homework before sleep.
Will you watching a movie tonight?
Yes, I will watch a movie tonight.
What time will the bus arrive?
The bus will arrive at 10 a.m.
Will you study English tomorrow?
Yes, I will study English tomorrow.
What will you buy at the grocery store?
I will buy milk and bread.
Where will you go after work?
I will go gym after work.
Will you come?
I will come.
What happened to him?
He sprained his ankle.
Why are you sad?
Because I have a headache.
How does it work?
It needs batteries.
Why did you go?
I had some work there.
Where am I?
You are in a hospital.
Where are you?
I am in office.
How are they?
They are fine now.
Where is he at?
His brother's house.
Will they have a party next week?
No, they will not have a party next week.
What will you wear to the wedding?
I will wear a suit to the wedding.
What will you do this weekend?
I will relax at home.
Will they go to the cinema tonight?
No, they will watch a movie at home.
When will you buy new clothes?
I will buy new clothes next week.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What will you do if it rains?
I will stay indoors.
Why won't they come to the party?
They have a prior commitment.
When will you learn to play the guitar?
I will start next week.
What will you say in the meeting?
I will share my ideas.
Will you buy a new car next year?
No, I will wait a bit longer.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.